Hello class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. So in the previous class, let me show you the book first. This is your book. By this time you are well aware, isn't it? Mulberry, New Mulberry part 1 for class 1. Okay. So in the previous class we have learned a very interesting chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter was The Boy and the Toffees, isn't it? And we have learned a lesson also from the chapter. So today what we will do the back exercises. So children, open your book at page number 61. This is page number 61 of your book, isn't it? So first we will start with making connection. This one. So children, take a pencil in your hand. So we will do the exercise together. Okay. So what I will say, you will follow, you will try to understand, and then you will write in the book itself. Is it clear what is the name of the chapter? The Boy and the Toffees, isn't it? Now, quick answers. We will do quick answers. This one. Quick answers. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Are you ready with the pencil? Okay. Write properly. Write neatly. Okay. So that I can understand when you will send it for correction. Clear? See number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Okay. Arnab takes a fistful of dash toffees or bananas. Arnab takes a fist full of what? Bananas he has taken or toffees. We all know toffees. So you will put a tick mark here and write toffees here. How you will write? Toffees. Toffees. This way. Okay. Done? Now number B. Mother keeps the dash bucket jar full of toffees hidden in the cupboard. So what the mother has kept? She has kept toffees. Where she has kept the toffees? In a bucket or in a jar? We all know that in a jar. So you will take Jar, jar, and then write in the blanks here, jar. Clear? She has hidden the chocolate, the toffees in the jar, not in a pocket. Number C. Arnab is not able to take his leg or hand out of the jar. His hand. 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 So you'll write like this. Then number D. Rohit asks him to hold or throw. Rohit asks him to dash, hold or throw only half of the toffees. So Rohit was Arnav's elder brother. So Rohit asks Arnav to hold only half of the toffees. Then he will be able to take out his hand, isn't it? So Rohit asks him to hold. H-O-L-D. Hold. Okay. So this way. Hold. Next one. Number E. Arnab is able to put or take. Able to blank. Put or take his hand out of the jar when he lets go of some toffees. So Arnab was able to take, not put. Take. Isn't it? Take his hand out of the jar when he let go of some toffees. So, able to take. T-A-K-E. I think you all are writing with me. Take. Clear? Yes. Then number 2. Put a tick against the correct answer. Against the correct answer, you have to put a tick. Okay. See. Question is, what day does Arnav's mother go out to buy groceries? Arnav's mother used to go out to buy groceries on a particular day. Which day was it? Every Wednesday or every Sunday? You all know every Wednesday. So you will put a tick here. Okay, option 1 is correct. Then number B. Why does Arnav cry? Arnav was crying. Why he was crying? He is unable to find the toffees, or he is unable to take his hand out of the jar. He is unable to take his hand out of the jar. So Arnav was crying. So 2 option for number B. Option 2 is correct. Okay, turn the page. Page number 62. Okay, are you all ready? See, number C. What does Rohit say when he sees Arnab crying? Arnab was crying as he was unable to take out his hand, isn't it, out of the jar. So his brother said something. What did he say? What does Rohit say when he sees Arnab crying? Number 1, he asks him to break the jar. No. He asks him to let go of some of the chocolates. Yes, he asks him to let go of some of the toffees so that he will be able to take out his hand back. So here also number 2 option is correct. See, page number 62. Done. Number C. Okay. Now question answers, read, reflect and write. See children, the answers I have written, I have sent the attachment of the answers. You have to click in the description box where you will find the link. So you write down this read, reflect and write question answers in the, as you know, in the CW copy. And before you write the question answer, you write the meaning, word meaning. Only one word meaning is given here. See, groceries, isn't it? So you write this word meaning first, word meanings. Then you will write the word meaning number 1. Only one you have got. Then you will write read, reflect and write. And you will write the question answers that I have already, I will send through this video. Okay. So question is, how does Arnav reach the jar of toffees? How did he reach the jar of toffees? He was short, small boy. He has to, the toffees were kept in the shelf, isn't it? So he did something. What he did? He dragged the stool towards the cupboard and then he stood on the stool and got those toffees. Answer you will get there. Number 2 question is, was the mouth of the jar broad or narrow? Obviously it was narrow, not broad. Give reason for your answer. And the answer is, it was narrow because Arnav was unable to take out his hand out of the jar. Then number D, Rohit helped Arnav. Rohit was Arnav's brother and he helped Arnav. Have you ever helped your friend or your brothers, sisters? Have you ever helped them? So discuss in your class. This is a question for discussion. And if you write the answer, I have not given you any answer because the answer will vary. Isn't it? It will not be same for everyone. So this answer, no need of writing. Okay. So this is how we have completed the back exercise, and in the next day we will do word wall. Okay, in the next class we will do word wall. Okay, take care, write properly and send it for correction. And when you will send, don't send all together, that every time I tell you, write neatly, send 2 or 3 pages all together. Click the picture properly. It should be legible. Your handwriting should be legible so that we can do the correction properly. Thank you.